Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you. Welcome back. Thank you for coming back in each and every time that I upload a video. I appreciate your support. This line dance I'm getting ready to teach, it is an easy peasy. Beginners, I will never forget about you, okay? Can't forget about the beginners. We need the beginners to help grow the line dance community. So I always will break it down nice and slow for the beginners. The name of this line dance is Bartender. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Now, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you want to dance along to this video, just watch to the end and I'll pin it at the end. Just click on it and we can dance together. Last but not least, I would like to personally thank everyone that's supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Thank you so much. Registration open already June 1st. I see each and every one of you. Thank you. We're going to take great care of you. If you have not registered, why not? If you've never been to a line dance event, take this opportunity to come to the NOLA Southern Experience. Go to our website for detailed information. You book your room there at our website, and you also register right there at our website. All the details are laid out for you at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. So let's start on this wall right here. And we're going to start with a walk to the right, a walk to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, right, tap, left, walk left, right, left, tap right. Easy enough, right? Then we're going to go out, in on the right and slide to the right. Out, in on the left and then slide to the left, okay? Out, in, slide. Out, in, slide. Okay, so we're going to add that to our walk. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and walk right, left, right, tap, left, left, right, left, tap, right. Out, in, slide, right. Out, in, slide, left. When you do that, your weight is on the left, your right heel is up. We're going to step and do 2 pivot turns, okay? Really making a full turn. Step, pivot, half. Step, pivot, half. Okay? So it's right, left, right, left. Okay? Let's add that. Real easy. Walk to the right, walk to the left. Out, in, slide. Out, in, slide. Step, pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We're going to add 4 alternating heels. Right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, and rock to the next wall. Right, left, and you at your next wall. So let's do it from here. That's the dance. You walk to the right, you walk to the left, out, in, slide to the right, out, in, slide to the left, pivot, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half, right, left, and then rock for 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. It is a 32 count that moves counterclockwise. Perfect for your beginners. Instructors, you always have those that come in for the first time, those new people, to keep your class moving along. These are easy steps that you can just call out, okay? You can call out to the new people and they can move right along to the class. You don't really have to stop to teach it, okay? Just know you're cueing. Let's do it again at this wall and that wall. 5, and we'll go around the entire room, 4 wall dance. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. 5, 6, out and slide on the right, out and slide on the left. Step pivot half, 2 times, coming back to this wall. Step pivot half, 4 alternating heels, right, left, right, quarter turn, rock to your left for 4, right, left, walk to the right, walk to the left. On the right, out and slide. On the left, out and slide. Out and slide. Step pivot half, 4 alternating heel, right, left, right, quarter turn rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much the dance, and you keep going. The name of it is Bartender. It is a 4 wall dance, moving counterclockwise, 32 count, perfect for your beginners, guys. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you there. We already have people who are booked. They've booked their room. Thank you guys so much for your support. They're doing their registration. And to the registration, we have a party with a pink purpose, which you can add on to your registration. And if you're bringing a group, the perfect outing. We got the perfect outing for your groups. If you're looking for something to do, the tours. So check that out, instructors. It's already on our page. And decide what time you want to take the tour. So when your group register, okay, when you go into registration, everything is there. They can just click on everything that they want. I have some people that's forgetting to add stuff and they contact us, okay? So you don't have to do that. When you go into registration, everything is spelled out. You just click on everything that you want. You get your general registration, your party with a pink purpose, select the time of your tours. Our t-shirt workshop already sold out, okay? So check that out at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.